So today we are just going to start spline method. Okay, how we can create interior with the spline method, huh? So suppose we have this plan. Okay, and how can we use this spline method, and why we are just going to use spline method? Because we have editable poly solid, editable poly method box, and there are so many kind of things is here, but we are using spline method. Then what's the reason is, if you want to change anything in the already building, okay, already which we have done in our project, so you can change easily. They would not be difficult to change. So now we have this plan and we are just going to create. Suppose we want to make this wall first. Okay, f z. Okay, now we are not able to see that where is the wall, where we want to create the wall. Now you go to here in create, then here shape. Okay, here we have rectangle. Okay, you can take from here one rectangle, like I taken this one. Okay, now you no need to do anything. Directly you go to the right click, convert to, oh sorry, from not here. Okay, you go to here, rectangle, right click, and editable spline. Okay, this is spline method. Now here vertex means these all four vertex corners. Okay, here is segment means this one. Okay, here is spline means if you will select one, automatically it will select completely. Okay, so now first thing we have converted into the spline method. The second thing is select vertex, select all vertex by like drag, or you can select by control A. Okay, then you have to right click and corner. Why we are just doing corner? Because you know, you here you can see the green dots. What is the green dots? Green dots is, we are just telling us the limits of this vertex. Will if I'll change this vertex only up to here, then it can be overlap. So it will be very disturbing thing if we are just creating something. So that's why we have to create here corners. Select, then right click and corner. Okay, now we are not able to see that. If we will make these surface or this corner near to it, then it can be, it cannot be disturbed thing. It can be easily comes near to this wall. Okay, so now what we are going to do, go to the top. Okay, this wall is here and we want to create this wall. Okay, now take this all vertex here, select these vertex here, select these vertex here. Okay, or you can select up to here, but I am just selecting up to here because here will be some wall, so I will take directly from here. Okay, now we have this wall. Now go to the front. Okay, now we have to decide the height of this wall. So we have to pick this vertex, top vertex, and we have to attach this vertex from bottom, but do not click anywhere. If I'll click, the vertex will, you don't know which vertex is that. Okay, so already I have selected that vertex. F, select this vertex and attach with that. Go to the move command, go here for the height. Suppose I am taking 3000, 3 meter. Okay, enter. Now you can see here, this is the wall, but I have to give some thickness. Okay, so go to extrude. This is the extrude. Okay,
Find the corner, so it looks good.
this is the extrude.
It's downwards.
Where?
Down there's no extrude.
No, there is no that extrude. Okay,
Okay.
so this extrude we have to taken from here.
But in the
You have
other method, it was down the extrude.
you can take EX. Okay, then go to upside. This one is a extrude. Okay, select. Now you have to give here the thickness. What is the thickness of wall? If you know in CAD, which how you make a offset here, 200 or 250, whatever. So you will type here. We know what is the thickness of this wall. 200. 200. So now this is the 200. Now you can go to the top, Okay, select this vertex. Now if I'm just selecting, it's just going in the x direction. Okay, so we have f6. If you click f6, it will go to the y direction. Okay, now it's exactly okay. Now what we can do here easily, I want here to need window. Okay, so select this wall. Okay, go to the front. Okay, here if you again click on this segment, okay, then it will directly comes into the spline method. Getting? Now this is very important, I'm just going to tell, so should be you focus on it. Spline, select, shift means I did copy. Take the height of window. What should be the height of window? First take the sill of window. Okay, here suppose 1 meter. uh, so how you going to do height of this wall? How you can take the height this segment? Okay, how you can set the height? You want to move this line upside. Okay, 1 meter. Go to the move command, right click. Okay, enter. Now we are going to make the height of window from here. Okay,
It's balcony.
uh, we can make the, what is the height of window?
I think it's a balcony. It's a balcony.
So height of window we are just taking here 2.5. Okay, so mean 2400. Okay, or maybe 2200. Okay, so now this is the window height, but in our plan we have to see this wall aligned with the our window. So we are going to top Z. Here you can see that vertex, huh?
It's balcony.
This is balcony. This one is not balcony, this is balcony.
So it should be 8.
Okay, we know one thing here. Our client is saying this is the balcony door, so okay, no problem. So we will make it door. Okay, now we are just going to, height would be the same, we are just taking it down. Okay, go to the front and select it with this one. Okay, now we made this. Okay, now we want this line up to here. Go to the top and Z, select vertex. Okay, and move up to here. Select this vertex, move up to here. Okay, now these two splines we have created one, and we have copied one inside. Okay, now select segment and delete it. Down one we have deleted. Only you have to create connection from here to here, from here to here. Okay, now select all corner and delete. Now again go to the extrude, so you can make here walls door. Okay, now we need this wall. Okay, so you have to go this cursor is just coming here, huh? We need here, so you can make it pivot on align to object or align to center, close. Now shift, take this one, shift on this wall. Okay, we are just creating with copy. Okay, we want up to here. Okay, now we need here door. Again go to the modify toolbar, we have here door. Okay, but this line, this wall is up to here. Okay, so we are just taking this wall up to here, top Z, and this wall to here. Okay, this vertex up to here. Now you can see here one door also becomes in the starting. Okay, now we are just going to stop this tutorial here. Okay, in next tutorial we will create all walls. Assalamu alaikum.